Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. If you're having issues with your bookkeeping, please follow the link at the end of the video to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. Thank you. In today's video of Custom QuickBooks Training, I want to show you why it's important to look at your income. I often tell my clients and my mentees that I would like them to be consistent in the way that they enter their income into QuickBooks. You absolutely can enter your income as an invoice, as a sales receipt, or as a deposit directly into the register. Sometimes what happens when we use different ways or we mix and match is that we'll accidentally double up our income and not have a quick and easy way to double check ourselves. I've just prepared a quick sample so that you can see what I mean. In this example, it's Craig's Design and Landscape Service. I'm going to go to the profit and loss. So to get there, I'm going to click on Reports. I'm going to click on Profit and Loss. And I'm just going to come down here to total income, and I'm going to click on the total income number. If this was my business, I would look down here and I would say, yep, this all seems great. One thing that I will notice is that I use invoices sometimes and sales receipts sometimes. I don't have a quick and easy way to know if I've accidentally logged one sale 3 different ways. I do have an example where I've logged one sale 3 different ways. I've logged this sale to Cool Cars of $100. I've logged it as a sales receipt, as a deposit, and as an invoice. This is just one sale. The reason I say to be consistent is so that when you're looking at the income detail, you'll notice if anything is out of place. For example, if you said, okay, I'm always going to use invoices or I'm always going to use sales receipts, and suddenly you notice that you also have a deposit in the list, or you have an invoice in the list, or you have a sales receipt in the list. If you have something in this list that is inconsistent and not like the rest of the stuff, that might be your clue that you've accidentally entered something into your QuickBooks 3 times. That might be your clue that you've entered something into QuickBooks more than once. If you consistently enter in an invoice or a sales receipt, for example, and then you see a deposit, when you see the deposit and you see under the column of split, you see something such as your checking account, that would be your clue to yourself that you've accidentally doubled up your income. I do have other videos on how to correct doubled up income. I just wanted you to see that if you're consistent in the transaction type that you use, when you use something else, it's going to stand out like a sore thumb and give you an opportunity to hopefully catch your mistakes. I want you to do good things. I want you to earn 3 times the money that you think you're earning. I don't want you to log it 3 times by mistake. If you have any videos that you'd like to see me make, or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks.